As the name suggests, image transfer is a method that involves transferring an image that has been printed on paper onto a different background or a new background using a specific medium or method. So image transfers aren't paintings, they aren't photographs, they aren't drawings, nor are they prints. They are absolutely amazing, they are versatile, and the technique is very addictive. Hi, my name is Nina. I am an artist, educator, and online content creator, and this class is the first in a series of classes that are going to deal with various methods of image transfers. In this first class, we are going to learn how to create image transfers using clear packing tape. Yes, you've heard correctly. You can use simple clear packing tape or sellotape to create the most amazing image transfers. In the beginning, we are going to have a look at all the tools and materials that you're going to use in this class. Then we're going to look into the actual method of how to use the packing tape or sellotape to create the image transfers. Once we've mastered this technique, we will then explore several projects involving packing tape transfers, starting up with very simple ideas that are easy to follow. But if you would like to take it a bit further, I have also included more advanced art projects. However, this class is suitable for total beginners and you don't need any previous experience. Those of you who are more experienced crafters or artists, once you know the basic technique of packing tape transfers, you can just hop on to the more advanced methods in this class. So I hope I have made you at least a little bit curious about the image transfer method. I would absolutely love to see you inside this class. So why not have a go and join us in the studio? See you there.